Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. Today I bring you a powerful tool for those who work with cell phone maintenance. The program is called Android Utility v170 and the download link is in the description just below. Before continuing, an important notice: the file is password protected and this password will be revealed throughout the video. It contains 5 characters that will be displayed one by one. Watch the video until the end, note each character and use them to extract the file. Leave your like to support the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any news. Let's go with the first step. Access the link in the video description. Once on the page, search for the program, Android Utility Tool v170. You will find 2 download options, both contain the same file. Choose the one you prefer. After downloading it, it is essential to disable the antivirus before extracting the file. Some antiviruses may block the program from running. With the antivirus disabled, extract the file using 7-zip or WinRAR. Enter the password shown in the video and continue. Once extracted, you will see a new folder. Inside it, go to the Android Utility folder and click on the executable file. The program will start and as you can see, it offers several useful tools for cell phone maintenance. Now I will show you some of these tools. I won't go into details about each one, as the goal of this video is to introduce the program and share the download link. Using Android Utility Tool v170 is quite intuitive for those already experienced in the area. As you can see, it's a very useful tool. Keep watching until the end to get the last character of the password. We've reached the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.